Oh my god, I don't have on false lashes. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be me trying on eBay prom dresses. Dun, 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 dun. Prom season is quickly approaching, and many of you are saying, Laura, why are you trying them on? Because you're not going to prom. You're dirty. Get my kite. Okay, that was too much. I took it too far. I'm trying them on for fun. Okay, I am trying them on for fun and for entertainment, and heck, some of them could turn out great and you might want one. Anyways, that is that. So I'm gonna be doing that for this video. Also, I bought these dresses a little while back because it takes forever for them to come in, sometimes from eBay, depending on what vendor you buy from. These took a while to come in. I tried to go back and find the links to them. I couldn't, but I could definitely find the pictures in my recent purchases on what the dresses look like on the model so we can compare notes. If I can't find the links for the dresses down below, trust me, I did my best to find them. So with that being said, I feel naked without my false lashes, and with that being said, let's sing the subscribe song and jump right in.
Subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe, Lola, okay? Yep. My girl LauraLee, you the best!
Let's jump right in this video. My makeup is gonna look different in the trying on part of this video because this is the second time I filmed this entrance because my mic went out. It is a never-ending battle with technology. Technology is out to get me and there's nothing I can do about it. Between the camera, the memory card, the microphone, the editing software, the MacBook, YouTube uploading, it goes through a million different processes to get a YouTube video to you guys, so the chances of something going wrong is pretty large, actually. I know you guys are like, you've been doing this forever, how are you still having technical difficulties? And I don't know, okay? First dress. First dress is this silver sequin dress. It looked like $1 million dress on eBay. And I paid $18 for this dress. And the lining in it is so thin. If you can see that, you can like see the sequins through the dress. And then what was interesting is the lining, if you can tell, I don't think you can tell till I try it on. Just wait till I try it on. But it stops right here, and then the fishtailed out bottom doesn't have a lining to it, which is very complicated, weird, and doesn't make sense. But I will say the cut around this area seems to be pretty good. But I'm gonna quit talking about the dress and try it on for you guys so you can see the tea yourselves. By the way, no, I'm not pregnant. Yes, I ate a bunch of French fries and chicken nuggets before I filmed this. Yes, there's a lot of food in my stomach. I'm not, it's food! Oh my god! But guys, my body is not man-made. It's just a cereal box with legs and a couple tatas and some chicken nuggets in my stomach. So it's my body. I love my body. I'm okay with my body. Let's continue trying on dresses. This is the first dress, and I literally just realized I went and put a strapless bra on so my straps wouldn't show. What am I thinking right now? Also, I'm doing this out here because you guys asked to get more of a full body at once instead of a close-up pan like guys do.
Like I'm doing right now.
Okay, this dress is not as bad as I thought it would. You're definitely gonna have to wear something over this because it's so thin. I think it's definitely see-through. And then the only thing, I also put heels on, by the way, guys, so you could see what it would look like in your heels. The only thing I really don't care for in it is that the lining to the dress stops halfway down. Why does it stop? Oh my god. It's just like, what happened? Like there's this huge disconnect. It's weird, but I feel like the dress could have been really cute if it didn't do that. Why did they do that? So here's the dress. What do you guys think? Ty, what do you think about this one?
The lining is weird.
The lining, it just kind of ruins it, doesn't it?
Honestly, if you cut the dress off right at the lining,
it could be cute.
I think it would look good.
Okay. He has fashion ideas.
We're gonna start cutting.
That's what we hired him for. Okay.
Yes.
Next dress. Let's go. This is the next dress. So this one looked really elegant, really amazing online. It had like this lace backing, which it does have in person. Again, the lining is just like stupid thin. Like it doesn't even make sense. Like the whole dress is like lace. Like what am I supposed to do with my boobs and everything else? I guess you would have to buy another red, but then you couldn't because it has this see-through part. So I don't know what you're supposed to do with this dress to make it wearable because of how see-through it is. Because I was saying you could get a slip and wear under it, but that wouldn't work because the middle part, unless you got like a top and a bottom to wear under it, then it just gets complicated and the dress becomes pointless. So this dress, to me, it's a hot mess, and you'll see when I try it on. You will see. I want to tell you how much I paid for it though. How much? $22. This is the one that I paid the most for out of all of them. And I think that one was the hottest mess. Okay, let's try it on. I think this is where I feel like I've truly been scammed by eBay. This is like nothing what the picture looked like. The dress is completely sewn and put together wrong. One, it's really short. I'm 5'4" and like the lining just kind of quits halfway at the bottom, and then I feel like the lace should be just a little bit longer. I mean, if I was barefooted, it would touch the ground. And then this area, it shows it like lower, but it's all the way up here. And then the hip area is so tight, I can barely move, but then there's a ton of stomach room. So it's like a very poorly put together dress. All right, let's look at the back.
See your underwear?
Can you?
Yeah.
It's see-through too, huh?
Yeah, I see it even more than the last dress.
No way!
Yeah.
Jeez, are you kidding me? Okay, I do not recommend this dress to you guys. Look at the back. What's the lace looking like, Ty? Narrate.
It's just like very flappy.
Flappy?
Yeah, it's not like flaps like these.
I don't care for it, more so because it's see-through and because the way the dress was put together, like sewn together, it doesn't make sense, okay? So I'm struggling a little bit in this dress. Yeah, it's like kind of short, don't you feel?
Very short.
Can't even twerk in it. Can't even twerk in it. By the way, I just ate a bag of chips, so they were good. The next dress is a white dress, and it is a haltered top, and it has this lacing detail to it. Again, the eBay dresses are just like seriously the thinnest, no lining dresses I've ever experienced in my life. Now, if you got a tube top slip to wear under this, it might work. Couldn't do a tank top one because it's a halter top, but this is an interesting little dress, and then it flares out at the bottom, kind of like tight, and then it kind of like out at the bottom. So I think this one could potentially be cute if you finagled it, bought an extra piece, an extra slip to make it work. Would it look great on its own? Absolutely not. They're all completely see-through pretty much. I paid $14.99. So this is the white halter top gown, and it is like really, really, really loose.
I see your underwear.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And it's see-through, huh? Is it
Yep.
cheetah print today? No, it's just dark. Of course I wear dark
Dark
grannies. Can you see this? Like it's just like so ill-fitted. And then like the dress doesn't look terrible, so I'm not gonna knock it that hard, but like there's just some areas where the fabric, it's like too much fabric right here, I feel. And right, like, and then it's very tight right here, but then under the arms it's like really loose. And the back area is like extremely like just hanging there. This dress is just, honestly, it's poorly made. It doesn't look terrible. I wouldn't wear it just because it needs some help. Also, it's very thin and you can see right through it. Just a heads up on that. Another white dress is up next. So this one had the thickest lining of them all. It has a felt lining, yet when I tried it on, I'll let you see for yourself, it didn't work. So this one seems to be most like though the picture that was shown on eBay. And it's kind of like an off-the-shoulder lacy, could be a bridal gown really, but I mean you would have to do some major undergarments with this because it's completely see-through and really thin. And then it looked really fluffy and like poofy at the bottom in the picture, but I will say it was like thin and like cheap material. So it was kind of like at the bottom whenever I put it on, you'll see. But let's see what I paid. I paid $12 for this dress. And the number one problem with this dress is that it's see-through. really, really thin. This is the one that had the felt material underneath it, and it's just completely see-through. However, I will say this one is the most accurate with the description of what it looked like on the model on the website, on eBay, as far as like the lace. What do you think, Ty? I mean, besides the thinnest material on earth.
It looks like a wedding dress.
Does it?
Kind of. Look at the back. Back's cool. Nice booty, Laura. Oh.
Is it work?
Laura.
Yes.
I feel naughty feeling.
Ew!
Show us the lace on the back.
Oh, let me show you the lace. I mean, it looks pretty good
Cool.
on the
I
back.
like the back.
But then, I mean, it's just like you can wear it unless you wore it. And then the train is a little struggling.
Oh, it's got a cool lace on the back though. That's cool.
Okay, 1 out of 10 stars. What would you give this? I give it a 5. 4. It's see-through.
Yeah.
All right, it's a 4. Cover girl. Put the face in your wall.
No. It's even more see-through when you're in the sun.
Okay. The next dress is this black 2-piece dress. I paid $14.99 for it. It is a top and a skirt, which looks like a gown. So I have it all twisted and twaddled because, again, I filmed all this yesterday and I'm just repeating myself today. Life of a YouTuber. Love that. So it is this lacy top. It looks just like it did in the picture. The top is really thin and super itchy, but I mean, it shows exactly what it showed in the picture, so I was happy about that. And then you get the long skirt, and the skirt was really cute. This satiny material. Yes, it's thin, but you couldn't see through the skirt, I guess because it's black, and it's just a lot of material. So I did like that because it's more poofy and not so like cheap and like straight down, but I did like the skirt. Pretty good. All right, so let's go try it on. This is by far the best fit dress. It looks good. It's not see-through. I have a strapless bra underneath this.
You look so cute.
Do I look cute in this
You
one?
do. You look good in this one.
And it's like a great length. The top was a little tight. I can't complain that much for the price. The sleeve's a little short, but the dress and that, well, the 2-piece fit is pretty darn good. This is the only one I would recommend to you guys out of all of them. Prom 2019. That's why I'm not invited to prom, and because I'm 30.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Cause you're 30. You're trying on prom dresses and you're 30. Why are you trying on prom dress? This is our winner. I'll show the back. Okay guys, I recommend this as 7 out of 10, I think. I mean, it's a very cheap material, but hey, for the price we paid for it, it looks pretty good. So with that being said, that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Be sure and leave down below what my next try on haul should be in the comment section. And give this video a like if you appreciate me trying on all these crazy dresses. Appreciate you. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!